Alright, so I've got a little diagram here for us. I wanted to mention this part here, okay? That's your clip that I neglected to do anything about in the video. Well, I recorded the part where this was installed, and I don't know what happened to that recording. I haven't been able to find it. So we're just gonna, oh, I can't do that on here. I need to switch to, where is it? I can't remember. Anyway, let's kind of back that up. There we go. Alright, so you'll see on your brake pads on the top here, you got a hole there and you got a hole right there, okay? Now you're only going to worry about this one and this one that's shown in the lines, okay? So yeah, don't worry about nothing else here. Oh, I'm erasing the whole freaking thing. Okay, I forgot how paint works. Excuse me. So yeah, all you're gonna do is you're going to install it just like it's sitting in this diagram. So you see how it's sitting in that orientation. You're gonna put there, and you're gonna put it on the pad. It's gonna kind of sit like this. All right, and you know, with your pads in place, just kind of draw like a little pad. There you go. It's kind of how it wants to be. So, yep, cool. All right. Yeah, I'll make it look nice. Okay, cool. But yeah, you see how that's gonna sit. Now, when you're putting this in, okay, you're gonna want to squeeze in on the pads, right? So, because if you don't, this spring right here is going to push your pads outwards, and it's going to stop you from putting this guy on, and we don't want that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I just kind of wanted to point that out to whoever may have needed that information, because I know I didn't specify in the video at all, but well, I suppose it's been left up long enough for anybody who needs it. But this diagram is now up in case, you know, something happened where you didn't catch what you should be doing in the video. I've seen a lot of times where people have left this out completely because it's so difficult to get it set in there right. The key to that is to make sure that the plates that go here, 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 and here are all in the right space, and that you've got the protruding edge on the outside. Okay? Because I've had a bunch of them come in where the protruding edge was on the inside, and then the customer's complaining about, you know, squealing noises or scratching noises, and it's because of it rubbing on the rotor, and it leaves like a scratch mark all the way around the damn thing, and it doesn't look very good, you know. So, and it's also not very good for the brakes themselves. So, but yeah, just keep that stuff in mind. You know, if you don't have a tool to press the pistons here in, use either a C-clamp and an old brake pad, or if you actually have the tool, use that. That's the best thing you can use. But make sure you open that bleeder up. So, I mean, it's gonna have some, you know, it's gonna squirt out on you. So you might want to have something over it to make sure that you don't soak yourself or anything else in nasty brake fluid, because that stuff is caustic. It's bad for your skin. It can tear out car paint, you know, stuff like that. So, but yeah, be careful. You know, I hope I could give somebody a hand, and you know, I wish you luck in fixing your problems later on. Well, just had one of my firsts happen to me. I had a rusted pin, so I put me a rag over the boot, you know, protect it. Started heating it up, standing here, and the damn thing explodes. Just, and I go looking. There's the boot. Found the boot. It's still in one piece. Here's the pin. We all good. That scared the hell out of me, though. And what sucks is my dumb ass wasn't wearing safety glasses. So I'm just lucky they didn't pop me in the damn eye. But hey, I got it. We got it, buddy. I guess this is me just kind of issuing a. Well, I'm shaking that damn thing. It scared me. I just got spooked by it real bad. Got my nerves going. But hell, I guess it's just kind of a PSA. If you get a stuck pin that's rusted in there and you're heating it up, wear safety glasses or wear a face shield or something just in case. Yeah, there's a possibility. So be careful. Don't do stupid shit. Stay safe and work stupid.